Hello world, this is Bit Elegant the robot here. Allow me to explain what is an API. Fellow programmers, an API is an abbreviation for an application programming interface. Yeah, hearing that term definitely can give you a headache. But anyway, an application programming interface is sort of like a contract between two applications. To explain this better, perhaps you want to ask your friend, who lives far away, something important. If the year was 1996, and not heck in 2024, you would write them a letter and mail it to them. The postal service will then ship your letter to your friend, where your friend will send a response back to you using the same techniques. Going back to the world of programming, an API represents as the postal service, and you and your friend represents as the two applications that is both requesting and receiving data with the API. Now that we know the basics of what is an API, how about let's apply it to Scratch. To access the API on Scratch, you would need a mod like TurboWarp. Using that app, you could access many information about users and their projects. Here's an example. Here we have a project that utilizes the Scratch API. If I grab the project ID of Briefpatch's Paper Minecraft game, I could at my program access information about it like the view count. Alright, that explains the basics of APIs. Take note from the robot, and always experiment.